Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to write an effective Google Ads headline and description. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you to create ads that attract clicks and improve your campaign performance. So first, you have to log into your Google Ads account. So just click sign in, and once you're in here, you will have to, of course, click your campaigns and make sure that you have created your first campaign already before proceeding to the next steps. And once you have your campaigns, you will click campaigns and then click ads and extensions and then click new ad. And for the headline, you will enter up to 3 headlines and then each up to 30 characters. You will have to focus on the keywords, the benefits, and a clear call to action. And for the description, you will write up to 2 lines and each up to 90 characters. Highlight your unique selling point, features, and incentives, and you will use dynamic keyword insertion if relevant to match your search queries. Preview your ad to ensure it looks good and both on both desktop and mobile. And finally, click Save Ad to apply changes, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have a good day.